Hi, I'm Anthony from Breathe Fitness. Today for the TRX walkthrough exercise, I'm going to take you through a superb exercise for the lower body, especially for the glutes. It's the TRX Crossing Balance Lunge. Great thing with this is no matter your level, we've got a great way to regress and progress the movement. So let's get straight into it. We need to start by getting our strap to mid-length. So if you're unsure what this is, if your strap is currently short, you need to extend the strap to the midway point. Depending on the strap you have, it will either be where the colours change, or you might have two yellow lines, but get it to that midpoint. We're going to be standing facing our anchor point, and we want to start with our elbows stacked below our shoulders. The movement itself is kind of like a backwards diagonal lunge. You might know it as a curtsy lunge in sort of regular bodyweight fitness. So from here, you are lunging diagonally backwards, knee going close to the floor and stepping back, okay? Great for the outside of your glutes. So let's start with the beginner level and we'll work our way up, okay? The beginner level is where the feet will touch. So it's kind of like a step back crossing balance lunge. So standing facing your anchor point, elbows below shoulders, you will step diagonally backwards, come back to the start position, driving through the heels of your feet. Always making sure you're looking ahead or slightly upwards because we want to maintain space between our collarbone and our chin, so we're not hunching at any point. We don't want to extend the arms all the way out. This is here just to stabilize us. We don't want to be going back so far that we're stretched. In terms of where you diagonally move, you want to make sure that the hips are always square and they're always in line. So if you go too far round and the hips drop, you've gone way too far. So it doesn't even have to be a very big diagonally backwards movement, okay? So the beginner level is stepping back and step back to your central point. Let's take it up a level now. Same movement, it's just the foot doesn't touch the floor. So there's a little bit more intenseness on the core because of the balance you have to put in. So you step back, foot just hangs off the floor, and step back. Now I'm currently showing you swapping legs each time. You can do a set just on one side and then swap legs. So that's entirely up to you. If we want to take it further, the way to progress this is to add a jump. I would recommend that if you're jumping for the movement, focus on a time or a rep on one leg and then swap, because it's easier to keep the rhythm moving with the jump if you're staying on one leg. So same starting position as always. Into that cross balance, up, land into your next one straight away. Once you've done your set number of reps for that side, control the whole time, tension on the straps. And that really gets the quads, really gets the outside of the glutes firing. So that is the TRX Cross Balance Lunge. If you'd like to see more TRX walkthrough exercises, please subscribe for many more. And I look forward to seeing you for another video soon. Take care.